SLOs can be more than just numbers. Let's explore how people, processes, and conversations are key to reliable service. Outages occur, users get upset, and SLOs often fail. Why? Because they are viewed as numbers rather than conversations. SLOs often become a technical task, missing the crucial human element and collaboration. We will show how SLOs involve people, processes, and shared understanding for improved reliability. Setting a percentage like 999 uptime and hoping for the best is a flawed approach. This approach leads to no clear ownership, misaligned priorities, reactive firefighting, and siloed teams. SLOs are not just numbers, they initiate conversations. Let's define good service together. Who's involved? How to communicate violations? Regular reviews? Alignment with users? Error budget gone? We will explore these questions in coming videos. SLOs can create a positive culture shift within teams. Improved collaboration, proactive issue anticipation, data-driven decisions, increased trust, and better user experiences are among the advantages. SLOs involve people, processes, and shared understanding for reliability. Start the conversation. Share this video. Leave a comment on how you collaborate on SLOs.